Hi, welcome to this video. This is practice 5. In this video, I am going to explain how to draw this drawing in AutoCAD 2020. Click on subscribe, click on bell icon for new update. We have to realize what are the tools we are going to use. First, drawing tools. Here drawing tools we can use line and circle. Next one is modify tool. Modify tool we can use move, rotate, trim and extend, erase, copy, mirror, fillet and array. It means polar array. Then we can use annotations. In this annotation we can use radius, diameter, linear measurements. We have to mark the center line. So click on line and make vertical and horizontal line. Then I can center it. I want to change this line type and line weight and color. Go to blue, by layer and center. Now I have created the center line. Next I am going to draw all circles. Here I have this diameter 30 circle. So click on circle and click on diameter. Click on center point and enter the value 30. Enter. Now I have drawn this 30 circle. Next one is 50 circle. This one. So click on center diameter. Click on center point. Then enter the value is 50. Enter. Next one is I am going to draw the 40 circle. So click on circle and diameter, click on center and give the diameter is 40. Enter. Now I have 3 circles for this object. Next I am going to offset this 10 by 10. Click on offset and enter the value 10. Enter. It means 10. Enter. I have offsetted. Here I am going to trim something. Here the object is this part I have to trim. So click on trim tool and enter. Click on it, click on it. Here also same. Now I have trim. Now I want to change this color. So click on my properties, click on this and change this color. Now I can use this clip method to adjust this line, same as here. Next trim, click on trim, click this circle, enter, click this part. Now I have trimmed. Further I have to trim this area. So click on trim, then click these 4 lines. Enter, click this point, enter. Now I have drawn this area. Next, I have to draw the polar of these circles. Here this circle is 8 into R6. So I have to draw this circle first. This circle diameter is 80. So click on circle and center diameter. Click on this center and enter the value is 80. Enter. Now I have got that circle. Then click on merge properties. Change the line properties. Next I have to draw that circle. Click on center diameter. Now I have to draw 8 into R6 circles. So 8 circles I have to draw. Before I have to click on center radius circle. So go to this point and enter the radius as 6 and enter. I have got this circle. Then I can use the polar array to rearrange the objects. So click on here, then go to polar array, select the object and enter, pick the center point and enter. Now I have got that center point and this array circle. Next, I have to draw other outside circles. Larger circle is diameter 150 and next circle is diameter 120. So I am going to draw the 150 and 120. Click on center diameter and click on center, give 150, enter. Likewise, click on center diameter, click on center point and enter the value is 120, enter. Now I have drawn this circle and this circle I have drawn. I am going to trim those objects. So before I have to draw these lines. This line in between these are 45 degrees. So I have to draw that 45-degree angle. So click on line, go to polar. I have to select 22.5 here. So click on center and draw 22.5. Same as here, so I can mirror it. Now I can mirror it. Then I want to another side also, so I can mirror it again. I drawn those objects and here also there's 45 degree. So I can use the rotate command. So click on this one, enter, center point, click on copy, then I can draw this. Then I want to mirror it. Click on this one, enter, midpoint, enter. I have got those lines. Now I am going to trim those. Click on trim and enter. Now I don't want this part and this part. And here I don't want this large circle part. So click on trim and select those lines. Enter. Click on this. Click on this. If you want, you can trim other areas also. Now I have trim. Here inside some trimming options are there. So click on trim, then enter. I don't want this part and this part and this part and this part. Now I have drawn those objects. If you want, you can trim it or else you can use the gripping method. You can adjust it. This part over. Here I have to trim with this part. So click on trim, enter and click those. Click one, click. Here also I don't want. You can use the gripping method. Click on here and go to here. And same as here. We can use all sides by this gripping method. Now we have got that object. Now I am going to enter those diameters. So click on here, go to diameter, click OK, and this one, and this one, 150, this circle, 80, next one, this 40, and here also the 50. Right, next one is diameter 6. So click on here, go to radius, click on here and give this. Here R6, so I have to enter the 8 value, 8 into R6. And I have to put this angular measurements. Next object is linear. Click on here, linear. So click those. Click it here. These are the measurements. Now we have completed. If you want, you can hatch it. Click here, go to gradient, click this, and I am going to select those areas. And enter. Now I have filled with this gradient. Now we have completed our object. Thank you. Click on subscribe. Click on bell icon for new updates.